Hello everybody! In this video I'm going to show you how to recover data from an SSD and when it is possible. Nowadays, SSDs are becoming more and more popular, so more and more users buy them instead of the conventional hard disks. Thanks to the SSD design having no moving parts, this type of storage is believed to be more reliable than their mechanical counterparts, HDDs. However, user mistakes, virus attacks, and failures of the operating system still pose a certain threat to integrity of data stored on SSDs as well. The happy SSD owners have to face the problem of deleted files, accidentally formatted drives, damaged data tables, and corrupted system files as often as those who stick to the more traditional hard disks. Talking about data recovery from SSD drives, it is quite different from data recovery from HDDs. In most cases, you can't recover files deleted from an SSD. The point is that solid-state drives have a distinctive feature – trim, a special command of the ATA interface which makes the SSD controller physically clear blocks of data which were previously used to keep deleted files. Hello friends! If you need to recover deleted data, view or restore removed browsing history, Hetman Software Products will help you. Follow the link in the description, download the necessary program for free, install it and analyze the disk. The utility will show you the data you can recover, so you'll be able to view it or get it back. In our channel and blog you will find solutions to any problem, from installing an operating system or configuring it to fixing possible bugs and errors or optimizing mobile gadgets. Our specialists will answer any questions you ask in your comments under the videos or articles. So, let's begin. Let's see what you can do to recover your data. In fact, there is little choice. Only if the trim command was not performed, or this option is not supported by the drive, the operating system, or the interface between the computer and the SSD, you will be able to recover deleted files. You can check if it is enabled by running the command prompt. Enter CMD in the search field, right-click on the command prompt shortcut and select Run as administrator. Enter the command. You can find the command in the description under the video. Press Enter. If you see the result Disable Delete Notify 0, it means trim is enabled, and if the answer says 1, then trim is disabled. To turn trim on when it is disabled, enter the following in the command prompt. To disable it, enter this command. Remember that disabling this function affects your SSD performance. If this command is disabled or didn't work properly for some reason, you still have a chance to recover your data with Hetman Partition Recovery. It will also help you if the disk was damaged, cannot be read or recognized by the system. Start the program. Select the disk and you will see the Recovery Wizard window. Select the analysis type – Fast Scan or Full Analysis. Fast Scan will find the recently deleted files, while Full Analysis will show you all possible information that has ever been deleted. I select Fast Scan because I have deleted some data not long ago. Click Next and wait a little. Here you go, the analysis is completed. Now click Finish. The window opens to show you deleted folders. The program suggests a preview for all of its findings in the right side of the window. They can be any text files, sound files, photos, or archives. If you don't see a folder containing your files, there is a button Where are my files? By clicking on it, you will see more hints on finding them. If the folder you are looking for is already on the list, just select it and click Recovery. Then choose how to save the files and click Next. Specify the path to save them and make sure you have enough space in the chosen location. Then click the Recovery button. The program will warn you against saving files to the same disk from where they will be recovered. Choose another disk if possible and click OK. Finished, the data has been recovered to the specified folder. If fast scan didn't help you, right-click on the disk and choose Analyze again. Select Full Analysis and click Next. The process may take some time, so wait until it is over. Now open the folder Content-Aware Analysis and try to find the necessary data there. If you deleted a partition in an SSD, there is a video in our channel to help you recover it. Find the link in the description under this video. That is all for now. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave comments to ask questions. Thank you for watching. Good luck!